We're going back into the Myers house. Got my buddy Todd with me. He's going into the Myers house today.
Well, I was gonna say, Halloween Kills definitely took advantage of the rooms because he definitely burrows out of this room. And,
Yeah.
And then, of course, when they come back and it's remodeled.
So, Todd, what'd you think?
That was definitely surreal.
Going into the bedrooms and stuff?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we sat in Michael Myers' bedroom.
You could have.
If not, we walked through it because I'm pretty sure he was on that side.
Did you get like a feeling inside?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yep. At the Myers house here in South Pasadena. Just wanted to get a few shots. Well, last time I was here, it was kind of bustling on Oxley and Fairview here, but the Strode house is now up for sale. But wait a minute. They do got a pumpkin on the front porch. Look at that. Even on the bottom of the pumpkin, it's got property of Laurie Strode. Always making sure that you bring the pumpkin back to the front porch where it belongs, where the owner of this home, which is now for sale, has always been so kind to fans and moviegoers. It's always nice to stop by here and take it all in. This stoop right here, a couple times I've sat here with my son, and before that with the pumpkin, and before that brought my buddy Todd out here. So it's all full circle. It's a little bit of work that's needed on the interior, but it's Hollywood history. Some of you Halloween 2 fans might know this alley is kind of familiar. Got Todd down there acting as the shape. Some of you may know that this is the alley from Halloween 2, where Dr. Loomis narrowly misses Michael as he kind of ducks behind one of these sheds back here. But I'm pretty sure this is one of the houses where he goes into the backyard and gets the butcher knife off the table. I don't know if it's that house back here or if it's this house. It could be this house. It kind of looks a little familiar. That might be the house. Not sure. So I just looked it up, and it is this house right here where Michael narrowly escapes Dr. Loomis. This is the house right here. Michael grabs the butcher knife as the old lady's watching the Night of the Living Dead marathon. But it's right here. And that's going to do it for today. Just wanted to show you guys the interior of the Myers house again. And if you guys haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to Explore Teo. Got some more vlog content coming. See you in the next video.